I'm Amanda Schachter.
And I'm Alexander Levy.
We're principals of SLO Architecture. Welcome to our projects on the Upper East Side.
At SLO Architecture, we believe that architecture is slow gratification, gratification that accumulates over time.
We're on the top 3 floors of an 1885 Italianate townhouse, and our goal was to restore the building to its original glory while reinterpreting its elements for our client and their extensive contemporary art collection. This is the main living room. This is where our clients receive guests, make them a drink from the wet bar, talk and relax, and look at art books. The crown molding uses a medieval Bactrian drape motif, mirroring our clients' deep collection of Pakistani, Indian, and Persian art.
We designed a fireplace for our clients that reinterprets the ubiquitous fireplaces found in townhouses on the Upper East Side by simplifying the white marble threshold of the top with a black granite base.
One of the most important things we did to bring the light in was to replace all of these windows. They not only meet the requirements of the Landmarks Commission, but they also protect the art.
So this living room has no rug, and on the wall we have a hyper-realistic depiction of a rug as a work of art. The dining room is a companion piece to the living room.
The dining room has all of the same moldings, beginning with the base molding and the drapes and grapes crown molding.
And in both rooms we have fireplaces. The fireplace of the living room was white marble. Here we have a black marble, and they're companion pieces, black and white.
We have a special condition with the molding. We have a hidden door to the serving pantry. The client prepares delicious meals, which they serve at this table. And for someone who's been here very often, I can tell you the chairs are surprisingly comfortable. This is the domestic floor, where the bedrooms and bathrooms are located. In keeping with the rest of the space, the client didn't want any rugs, but wanted the feeling of one. So we created a custom stencil pattern that mimics the weave of a rug. This floor also references the painting we saw downstairs, but instead of the multicolored threads, what you see is the abstracted weft and warp of a rug. When you get to the top floor, now we're in the family area. The blue stairs continue to the outdoor terrace where the family loves to barbecue. One of the most exciting things in the kitchen for us was to create this large opening out to the terrace. The window opens completely so that you can pass things directly from table to sink. Standing here, you can look out and have a great view of Manhattan.
And the cabinets are a high-gloss steel blue lacquer. And there's a breakfast area with more art from our clients' collection.
We love working on projects like these because they allow us to collaborate in direct dialogue with our clients.
Renovating a home is a singular opportunity for our clients to express themselves in an architecture they can live in and enjoy. Take it slow. See you on the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.